Or another elevator. Dinda Dewi, Dinda Mawidatul, Eka Agung, Eka Basari, Purana Namsud, Hidayat Kedaud, Indah Nafisatul, Ayla, Ayu Widianto, Ayu Siva, Mawar Media Present, Raisa, Nadia Samia, Nagis, Naila Present, Najwa, Lima Present, Cynthia Maria, 6. Tasnia Masuddin, Yasmin. Today we are going to learn about personal money management. Please open your book. Today's agenda we will learn from a story and then we will solve the problem using procedure text. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so today we are going to learn about personal money management. Wherein we will learn from a story and then we will solve the problem using procedure text. The first is about narrative text. Narrative text is a text that tells a story, so it can be real or fiction. There is three parts from narrative prose. The first is orientation, it's about introduction, and then there are complication. What is complication? Conflict or problem. And the last is resolution. Solution of the conflict or problem. For example, there is story Rina loans problem. Rina is a student who gets many loans from her parents. At first, she thinks her money is enough, but every day she buys snacks and unnecessary things. She also buys things online. Jadi, seperti kita tahu, naratif prose ini adalah urutan sebuah cerita, di mana itu akan membuat si pembaca itu jadi paham alurnya dari awal sampai akhir. Nah, seperti perhatikan dari pengalaman si Rina itu kan dapat uang dari orang tuanya. Terus karena dia tipikal orang yang boros ya mungkin, jadi dia menghambur-hamburkan uang, kayak buang-buang uang buat beli sesuatu yang gak penting. And then di saat dia dari hutang. What is hutang in English? Nice, Karila. And then from the story, what is the problem? Anybody know? Anyone? Actually, what is the problem? They run out of what? Money. So and then what was the problem? She spent too much on unnecessary things. And what's the impact? She didn't have money and borrow money. Nice. From the story, how can we solve it? We have to save our money for the
Celengan.
celengan, benar. Terus we use like procedure text, misal how to manage uang, how to manage money. Kita bisa bikin kayak rangkaian langkah-langkah gimana cara kita spend uang kita. Let's talk about procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is a text that tells how the process step by step. Jadi prosedur teks itu teks yang menceritakan tentang cara kita mau do something, cara kita melakukan sesuatu langkah demi langkah. It has goal, material, apa itu goal? Tujuan. And then there is material, ingredients or tools, and the last is there are steps. It's about method. Nah, in procedure text, we also use sequence word like first, then, next, after that, and finally. Nah, ini how to manage money. Nah, contoh yang misalnya ini adalah contoh dari masalahnya si Rina tadi. Yang pertama, siapa yang bisa baca? Kelihatan nggak? Enggak ya? The first is make a budget. Nah, langkah pertama bisa bikin kayak apa ya? Rem-reman budget. And then save some money. Simpan beberapa uang. Misal kalian ada nggak uang darurat? Kalian kan nggak? Nanti sewaktu kalian butuh, kalian punya itu kan? Ya, gitu. Then next, avoid unnecessary spending. After that, track your expenses, and finally use your money wisely. Nah itu termasuk ke prosedur text. And then, nah di sini Miss itu punya cerita sama kayak yang si Rina itu tadi. Jadi tugas kalian itu mengurutkan cerita sesuai dari naratif teks yang ada di sini. Are you ready, everyone? Ready. And then you should solve the problem. Kalian harus bikin procedure text dari masalah yang mereka hadapi. Bisa kalian ambil poin-poin kayak komennya dari yang ada di PPT atau pakai use mobile phone for some vocabulary. Miss mention grupnya ya, nanti perwakilan dalam satu kelompok maju ke depan dan nanti. Kelompok satu ada Eka, Aul, Hidayat, and then Nadine. Satu orang misalkan. Kelompok dua ada Dewi, Indra, Sabrina, sama Selvia. Siapa yang kalau nggak ada kalian bisa kasih nomor di belakang. Nomor satu yang mana, dua yang mana? Enggak,
Jadi di sini
Tasnya kita kayak kalau enggak juga nggak apa-apa kasih nomor belakangnya. Kalian bisa tambahkan teksnya di belakang
Bahasa Indonesia apa? Ini yang tes proses. Oh. Pertama wes. Lalu berarti solve the problem. Ini juga prinsip ini kayak
what did we have learned from our material today? Anybody else? Who wants to mention? Rasakan please.
I will.
Oh, apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? Dari
money.
Nah, ini kita pelajari how to manage money. Nanti dari bikinnya, step by stepnya. Nanti you akan nilai di belakang, and then don't forget to submit your speaking test. Perwakilan aja, nanti lewat CPM saja. Terus udah itu aja. Thank you so much for today. Before we close our class, let's pray together. Pray. Thank you so much for your attention.